Well, YouTube, I can't, you look like it from the pictures, but there's not enough room from there to there for my truck to get in and through to go get loaded. But this guy fell off the road, slid clear off. It's a hump here, and when you come up off the spur onto the main line, which this is the main line, the back frame rail, the reach hits the logs and you can't steer, and it's straight ice. And that's what happened to him, is he couldn't steer and it just pushed him right into the ditch. But you can see it over there, he's in the ditch. It's so icy you can hardly walk. Well, they got man, that wind's blowing, I don't know if you can see it, the snow, but I mean, it's literally blowing sideways. We got a chain hooked to the front cross member, and or tow hook, and they're gonna try to pick the front end back up onto the main line. See how this goes. It's a lot of weight, especially he's got a drop axle. So, I mean, most trucks have R6 axles now, but he's got a drop axle, so that bunk sits further ahead, which puts more weight on the steer tires. So it's loaded. We'll just see how it goes, I guess. Man, it's windy. I'm blowing my hard hat off. All right, here goes nothing. It's gonna break that chain. No. Oh! Front steer tire just started pulling up that hood. He's gonna have to be unloaded. If that was my truck, I'd be pissed. He's up. There, oh geez, I'm not even looking. I'm off the ball. Oh, there we go.